Hi Taurus, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading about love or romantic love situation. Hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po 100% accurate para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Taurus. Tingnan natin kung anong energy ng person mo towards you about love or romantic love situation. Taurus. Energy ng person mo towards you. Okay. Okay. You might be dealing with a Libra, Taurus, Leo, for some of you. Okay. Pisces or Cancer. Alright. That's for some of you. Tingnan natin. Okay. Yeah, your person, Taurus, parang gustong makipag-ayos or gusto niya magkaroon ng maayos or tama na connection or gusto itama, ano, kung ano yung naging problema or kung ano yung problema sa inyong relasyon, sa inyong connection, Taurus, no? Your person wants to talk to you, wants to communicate with you. Okay? Gusto ng person mo din na parang lumabas kayo, no? To have fun together or mag-date, something like that. To do some exciting things. Okay? Together, no? Sa labas, maybe travel. Yeah. Okay? But it seems that you, Taurus, is kind of, ano tawag doon? Not really close off, but parang siguro para sa person mo, ang hirap mong i-approach. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, or your person feels na parang insensitive ka for some of you. Okay? But your person wants to nurture the relationship that na meron kayong dalawa, no? Parang looking forward yung person mo about the future. Okay? Nurturing the relationship, mag-grow pa na magtagal. Okay? Yeah. But on the other hand, you, Taurus, there is something, no? Maybe you have a crush on someone, okay? You are falling in love with someone, okay? Merong third-party energy here, merong deception or umiiwas, no? Merong paglilihim, pagtatraidor, something like that. Merong deception or dishonesty in the situation. And you are just going with the flow, no? For some of you, there is someone that you are in love with, no? Okay. So, merong third-party energy. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Okay, tingnan natin. 9 of Wands. Okay. Parang nahihirapan na sa sitwasyon ang inyong person. Okay? But this person, gusto niyang bigyan ng solusyon or resolbahin, no? Kung ano yung problema sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Your person is trying to be strong here. Taurus. Okay? Parang siguro may mga blockages and exhausted na rin yung person ninyo towards you or sa isang relasyon. Yes. Because of yeah, for some of you, the Hierophant, there is you are already committed with this person or this person is committed to you, Taurus. But it seems na parang nagkakaroon ng problema ang inyong relasyon, okay? Yeah. Merong ego problem also, no? Here. Yeah, Knight of Cups. Yeah, gusto ng person mo, Taurus, na i-express mo or gusto ng person mo maramdaman na mahal mo siya. Okay? Or maybe your person is waiting for you to propose. Something like that. To express something. Yes. Waiting for your time and attention, Taurus. Okay? Yeah, maybe parang nagsisik ng attention, no? Ang person ninyo sa inyo. Nagsisik ng pleasure at the same time, okay? Ng moves, ng actions, no? Na makakaramdam siya na mahal mo pa siya, okay? Something like that. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. The Fool, no? Your person feels that you are a strong person or insensitive or you are open ka to other possibilities, okay? Yeah, and Death. Your person also feels na parang merong ending, no? Magkakaroon ng ending ang inyong relasyon or connection, something like that. So, parang, ano tawag doon? Hindi naman na inaakay or parang hindi na siya ganun ka-confident sa relationship, okay? If there is a commitment already or you are committed to this person, so this person feels insecure or feeling niya parang merong magkakaroon ng ending, no? Or separation kayong dalawa, okay? Because your person feels that you are open to possibilities or maybe, you know, you like someone here. The Fool. You are enjoying your own life, no? Taking chances. And siya, yung person mo is waiting for you. Gusto niya yung attention mo and time. Okay? 7 of Pentacles. Your person is sad. Taurus. Okay? Mayroong disappointment, no? About the relationship. Yeah. Justice, parang walang hustisya, something like that. Your person wants you to talk to him or her, mag-apologize, or open ka sa discussion kung anong nangyayari sa inyong dalawa at resolbahin kung ano yung problema ninyo. Okay? Yeah. Your person is disappointed sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Is sad, feeling left out in the cold, no? Yeah, your person also is hoping na i-correct mo ang inyong mga behavior or actions for some of you. Okay? Na because your person feels na he or she deserves your love and attention. Okay? Page of Cups. The Chariot. And you, Taurus, maybe you are always traveling. For some of you, you are determined and determined ka sa trabaho. For some of you, you are recognized publicly, no? Because of your achievements, okay? Determinado ka to succeed, no? 8 of Wands. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you are dreaming about someone to contact you or para puntahan ka. Merong movement, no? Okay, tingnan natin. Yeah, for some of you, you are parang infatuated ka, no? Yeah. Sa isang tao. Yes. An Empress. Okay. You are looking forward to see him or her. Yeah. Okay, you might be dealing with two person, no? Or two situation, Taurus, for some of you. There is someone that you like. Meron kang gusto sa isang tao. Okay, this is your main person. And this is the challenge here. There is another person, no? Sa inyong relasyon. Okay. For some of you, na-meet mo tong tao na to in your travels, no? Yeah. You are hoping to see this person again, but you are too Parang busy ka, madami kang ginagawa. So, kailangan mong balansehin ang iyong sitwasyon, ang iyong emosyon at the same time. And, yes, kailangan mong balansehin, i-manage yung 2 people or 2 situation. Okay? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest kung hindi para sa'yo. Tingnan natin, the Empress. The World. Yeah, you want to be close with someone, no? Or the Empress. Okay. Parang gusto mo maging successful sa tao na to. You want to travel with him or her. For some of you, the Queen of Wands. Yes, maybe this is another person, a mistress for some of you, no? Yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. You are very attracted to this person. You are falling in love to this person. Maybe you are traveling with this person also. Okay, just take what resonates for you. Or maybe this person is in another place or nasa ibang bansa, ibang lugar na malayo sa inyo. Okay? Parang hindi kayo magkasama. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo. Welcome. Six of Wands. So, you are just going, parang nagka-go with the flow ka lang, Taurus, no? Kung ano yung mangyayari sa inyo. You are looking forward. You are, looking forward ka sa mga victories mo, okay? Maybe with this person. You are deeply falling in love with this person for some of you, okay? Yeah. Parang gusto mong i-win, no? Yung tao na to, yung third person. Okay. And the Four of Pentacles. Yeah. So, maybe, yung iba sa inyo, you are keeping this person. Yeah. Okay. For some, you cannot freely do what you want with this person. Parang merong restriction, no? Parang nag-hold back ka din at the same time. Okay. Maybe this person, the third person, is as much as possible, kinokontrol niya ang kanyang emosyon, okay, or ang kanyang nararamdaman, or kinokontrol niya yung oras niya sa inyo, okay? But, yung iba sa inyo, you are just going with the flow right now, pero naisip mo yung tao na to, yung third person. So, gusto mo magkaroon ng, you want to win this person's heart, okay? Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Okay, minsan baliktad yung sitwasyon. Yeah. So, Seven of Swords. Yeah. Okay. So, merong deception na nangyayari. Maybe you are deceiving yourself, Taurus, for some of you. Kung sino talaga yung mahal mo, express it. Sabihin mo kung sino. For some of you, take action. Okay? Parang hindi din fair sa taong ito na parang hinahang mo, something like that, because this person, the primary person here, is waiting for your time and attention, no? You are committed for some of you, no? Parang looking forward yung tao na to about planning, about sa commitment, or maybe marriage, no? For some of you. Yeah. And now, yung person mo na to is hindi siya ganun ka-secure sa relasyon, sa nangyayari sa inyo. Merong sadness, merong kalungkutan. Okay? And you are showing bravery and, you are showing bravery, no? And strength sa tao na to. Okay? And this is the challenge because parang feeling ng person mo, parang free ka lang, okay? Feeling single for some of you. Or merong ending na emotionally sa inyo, or phase or cycle ng isang relasyon, ng inyong relasyon, no, parang nag-end na, and nalulungkot yung tao na to, no, sa nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. Okay? So, maybe, kailangan kung ikaw ay umiiwas, Taurus, maybe you need to confront this person, if you don't want this person anymore, no, wag mo sayangin ang kanyang oras. For some of you, be fair. Be considerate, okay? Yeah, this is for some of you, not all. Okay? express, no? Yeah, yung sa, yeah. There is, cheating here, no? Expressing your love to someone else. Okay? Okay. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest kung hindi para sa inyo. Okay, minsan baliktad yung situation. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, yeah, merong third party. Okay? Alright. So, Taurus, kung may kailangan, be honest, no? Be transparent with your person. Talk about the relationship and then, no, decide, I think, for some of you. So, don't be fair to the other person or some of you, or it's the other way around. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? So, Taurus, maraming salamat sa inyo. And see you on the next video. Bye!